Welcome to Calculus and Mathematics Formulas. In this video, we'll learn all the basic derivative formulas along with clear examples for each. Constant rule. The derivative of a constant is always 0. First example, the derivative of 5 with respect to x is 0. Second example, the derivative of negative 100 is also 0. Power rule. The derivative of x raised to the power n is n times x raised to the power n minus 1. First example, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Second example, the derivative of x to the power 10 is 10x to the power 9. Constant multiple rule. If a constant is multiplied by a function, its derivative is the constant times the derivative of the function. First example, the derivative of 4x squared is 8x. Second example, the derivative of negative 7x cubed is negative 21x squared. Derivative of sine x. The derivative of sine x is cosine x. First example, the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Second example, the derivative of sine 2x is 2 times cosine 2x. Derivative of cosine x. The derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. First example, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Second example, the derivative of cosine 3x is negative 3 times sine 3x. Derivative of tangent x. The derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. First example, the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. Derivative of a raised to the power x. The derivative of a raised to the power x is x times natural log of a. First example, the derivative of 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x times natural log of 2. Second example, the derivative of 5 to the power x is 5 to the power x multiplied by ln 5. Derivative of ln x. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. First example, the derivative of ln x is 1 divided by x. Second example, the derivative of ln of 3x is 1 over 3x times the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So, final result is 1 over x. Inverse sine. The derivative of sine inverse x is 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. First example, the derivative of sine inverse x is 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. Second example, the derivative of sine inverse of 2x is 2 over square root of 1 minus 4x squared. Inverse cosine. The derivative of cosine inverse x is negative 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. First example, the derivative of cosine inverse x is negative 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Second example, the derivative of cosine inverse of 3x is negative 3 divided by the square root of 1 minus 9x squared. Sum rule. The derivative of a sum is the sum of the derivatives. First example, the derivative of x squared plus sine x is 2x plus cosine x. Second example, the derivative of e to the x plus natural log x is e to the x plus 1 over x. Product rule. The derivative of u times v is u dash v plus uv dash. First example, the derivative of x times sine x is sine x plus x times cosine x. Second example, the derivative of x squared times e to the x is 2xe to the x plus x squared e to the x, which simplifies to e to the x multiplied by 2x plus x squared. Quotient rule. The derivative of u divided by v is vu dash minus uv dash over v squared. First example, the derivative of x divided by x plus 1 is 1 over quantity x plus 1 squared. Second example, the derivative of x squared divided by sine x is 2x times sine x minus x squared times cosine x, divided by sine squared x. Chain rule. To differentiate a composition of functions, multiply the outer derivative by the inner derivative. First example, the derivative of sine of x squared is cosine of x squared times 2x, or simply 2x cosine x squared. Second example, the derivative of ln of 5x plus 1 is 1 over 5x plus 1, multiplied by 5, which